Okay, so here's what's in the box. We've got the, this is the function first shifter knob kit. I picked out the white Durlin knob because it kind of reminds me of my old Hirsch shifter. Got the black stem, nicely machined, feels pretty good. And we've got these couple Allens, a couple set screws, and a couple of O-rings here. Got a little washer, and this pretty cool sticker. Okay, so let's install this. So we're going to pull the boot off first, and we use our pry bar here, little plastic pry bar. Okay, so that pulls off, and now we get a turn here, and this should pull off. Okay, so here we have the that's the Numeric Shifter. So now we've got to get this guy off. So this, I believe, turns. I don't recall which way there it is. So this should pull off of here. And it's not every day that you do this, so kind of forgot how this guy works here. Yeah, that should unlock it right there. No, that should lock it. That should unlock it. See, that pulls it off. And you see, this is the little leather retaining ring that retains the leather inside this. So when you put it back in, if you ever want to go back to stock, you tuck the leather into this, you press this in, and it retains it. So we'll put that in the box for now. And now we've got the new shifter boot. I mean the new shaft. That gets pressed in through here. And we should make sure that this is pretty much lined up. So this goes through there, and then we've got a couple of the O-rings. We place them over the leather boot. And they want you to use 2 of these. Okay, let's see how that looks there. Looks pretty nice. All right, so now I've got to put a set screw in here. So I might have been better off putting this in first. Putting this set screw in first. The leather's going to be in the way, but in any event, we're going to do it this way right now. So these are the supplied Allen wrenches. Okay, and the other set screw goes over here. And this slides down over the handle. Just want to make sure that we get this right here now. It looks pretty good. Now we have to put in this Phillips, this other hex screw, sorry. And that's going to allow us to adjust the orientation of the shift pattern on the ball. This should be the correct size here. I've got a little Loctite on it, so it's a little tight. Okay. Now you give this a tightening here. Let me give this other guy a tightening. There it is. Okay. And now we have to put our washer on. So this screw here is supposed to adjust higher or lower depending on where your shift pattern orientation ends up. So we'll just try it the way it is and see how it works. No, it's got to come up a little bit because that's not quite tight enough. Might take a few tries here, and that's exactly what I didn't want to do. Was drop that in the under the console. That'll be fun to get out, but it didn't go under the console. Cover that up there. There we go. It's just going to do that, I guess, huh? I think I came up a little high with that. I think I need to bring it to there and give it another try. Nope, a little bit more. Looks pretty good to me. Let's see how that feels. I think that's pretty good. I think we can close this up now. Yeah, it feels real nice. Reminiscent of the old days. Well, it's another project. So here's another look at the finished product. White ball might not be for everybody, but I've got my reasons. I kind of like the contrast. Feels nice in the hand. Be nice to take it for a spin. Maybe we'll do that later. Yep, feels pretty good. Well, thanks again for watching. Please hit the subscribe if you liked it, and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.